Welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today 28th January, Sunday, and let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market look like upcoming week. All right, so what I noticed, folks, right here, market has a bearish divergent, continuous bearish divergent going on, but MACD just recently crossed on daily and look like market wants to go higher. That's what it looked like. So we need to keep another things in mind that, remember, folks, now what's going to happen is end of January, all the buyback, the blackout period getting over. That is what you need to keep it in mind. The blackout period getting over means all the corporate buyback will start buying. That is another portion of the thing you need to keep it in mind. All right, and that is the reason market look at the cloud conditions, look at the MACD crossing, so everything looking bullish. Now, I don't see here the sellers are lining up at this particular point. So there is always, if you take a look at this, 4-step forward, 2-step downward, 3-step forward, 2-step downward, 5 steps upward, like that. So market is basically slowly grinding higher, right? You can see right here last 1.5 months continuously market is grinding 2-step forward, 1 step backward. That's what basically is doing right now, correct? So that is okay. We're gonna look into smaller time frame and find out. So this is your little upward channel. The wind is blowing. Technical fundamental class applies, folks. You can see the wind is blowing north direction. All right. So whenever wind is blowing north direction, if you see a divergence, remember it's far better to buy at the bottom rather than short at the top. All right. That is how I would do. I do not short because sellers are not lined up. That doesn't mean that market could not, but because 4-hour chart has a divergence right now at the top. Right here, this is a 4-hour chart, has little value, but there's a bullish squeeze continuation also. So now we also need to keep it in the biggest caveat coming in on our way this coming week. The mega cap earning, the magnificent 7 stocks earnings are in this coming week. On top, folks, remember Tuesday earnings, all the mega cap earning is on particularly on this week, as well as the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, folks. We just did the class, folks. FOMC meeting right here. We did the class yesterday right here. If you forgot to join the class, folks, we have the recording ready. You can enroll. Today is the last day. You can get it for $350 from tomorrow onwards, folks. FOMC, your price will be $750. Recording is ready. If you want to get it, you can go and get that. $350 technical class is ready. So join, take that class if you want to take that. Is ready. Now, as you can see, market has the 4-hour chart looking like a divergence on it, right? So we need market maker to go forward. So where would be Josh, you think the market could pull back? So smart monies are sitting around this area to watch if the market pulls back, okay, because of the 4-hour divergence. But still market bulling now. Remember, anytime when market opens up on Monday, right, it's market maker also wanted to see what would be the earning coming out on Tuesday, correct? That would be another caveat, because any caveat you would not know, folks, what market could react on it. So people taking their position, you can throw the dart on the wall and you might hit the center. But at this particular event, I'm just trying to tell you, the channel is right here at the resistance. That means the weakness slightly showing on a 4-hour, but daily chart does not shows any weakness, right? That is another part you need to keep it in mind. So, and blackout period getting over, cloud conditions are bullish, squeeze continuation. So market is still bullish. Only thing is 50-50 positions right now, okay? So the wind is blowing north direction, is pulling back a little bit. So the best way to analyze is, let's go and take a look at the other stocks, what they are doing, right? So let's go to Apple. All right, so what do you see? Apple is slightly pulling back, right? So Apple probably the next demand area to watch here. Market probably test the area of 188. It pulling back right now, MACD crossing, but the squeeze continuation. Total conditions are bullish. So 188 it look like your support, and it could bounce also Apple. So Apple right now little weakness. Okay, MACD big bearish. Okay, now let's look at Microsoft. This is 4-hour charts, folks. Okay, Microsoft also showed a little weakness, but price action is bullish, showed up here, but here it's showing the divergence, means continuous divergence Microsoft has its work. So that will be, if anything, pull the rug. Market maker, they want to pull the rug, because who will be bearish on Microsoft? Just ask yourself a question: who will be bearish on the Microsoft to buy the put? Nobody. People are always bullish on earnings. Correct? So keep that thing in mind. If they want to squeeze all the bulls, they could play dirty games. Correct? Just to give you, folks, you have to keep that thing in your mind. So this is the next demand area right here. If market maker want to play the dirty games for only this week, if they want to play dirty game for this week, because most of the people wants to spend money on a weekly option expiry this week, if they want to do that, that's the can be happen. Or they can just be continue higher also. If the most likely Microsoft is strong earning, I'm expecting, folks. Okay, so but good news could be good news could be bad news. God knows, folks. Earning, that is the reason I don't play earnings. I don't like to play earnings. All right, so Microsoft also has a divergence. Just giving an announcement, Microsoft has a bearish divergence, but price actions are continue moving forward. Let's take a look at the Google earning also. Google doesn't look weakness on it. Google does not have the weakness. Yeah, Google looking great, folks. Google looking amazing. Yeah. All right, so Google next. Wow, Google is right at the top, right at the all-time high, 150 right here. So Google is reaching to the top. Yep, top. So Google probably looking great, folks. Google looking great. That's your resistance. Now let's take a look at the Meta. Meta looking great too, right here. Okay, just a second. One second. Okay, so Meta, folks, is very all-time high now, almost $400. Now Meta is undervalued right there. So Meta might, so they're showing 4 hours divergence right here. Meta has a divergence, but continuous bullish. Look at the setups are more, so much bullish Meta looking right now. Technicals are, but chart just like Microsoft look like a divergence. Maybe MACD filling up the gas and want to shoot up. Probably that's what I would say right now, folks. Okay, because market looks so much bullish, but only here is creating the divergence some reason. Okay, so now let's see how market plays for next 2 days before the FOMC. But over here the Meta has a little time to earn earnings. It's not on Tuesday, that's why. Okay, then we're gonna look into the Tesla earning is over. Microsoft, Google, Meta, Amazon. Let's take a look at the Amazon. Amazon is, wow, Amazon looking great. So Amazon is the one who did not reach all-time high. So maybe their goal is to slowly and steadily take it up. But Amazon earning coming in on February 1st. So it's still long way to go. All right, so Amazon expected earning 94 cents, 79 cents. They could probably also beat here, but if I take a look at it, what I see here is no weakness. It's still looking bullish on Amazon. Amazon looking great, Meta looking great, all mega cap stock looking great except the Apple, folks. Okay, except the Apple, they're looking great on it. Now I also need to analyze Nvda, folks. All right, so Nvda has a divergence right now going on right there at the top. Look at that continuous divergence going on since 500, folks. Solid weakness looking on a divergence side. So I would be very careful at the top here, because market might wait for here. So maybe little pullback expect on Nvidia and then probably shoot up. But Nvidia is undervalued stock, folks. Right here, keep that thing in mind. So expect a pullback little bit and then could shoot up also on Nvda. Because maybe right now, you know, filling up the gas and then could shoot up. So give a little time on Nvda. I think Nvda are looking bullish, just in short time filling up the, look like filling up the gas. All right, that's what I would see here. Look at this bullishness. Wow, amazing Nvda. And that's what I posted today too, all the information, folks. But Nvda looking great. AMD, all the earnings, mega cap earnings, right? AMD looking, AMD has a bearish diversion right here, but bulls are lining up, folks, right here. So diversion has no value off of it because the conditions are solid bullish, folks. So I would not be shorting these kind of stocks. You know, we got to be very careful. Earning coming in soon, right? And we have posted all the information about the AMD looking bullish, folks, okay? Because AMD 77 cent EPS here, 70. So yeah, AMD looking great, chart looking great. Only thing is just filling up the gas probably. Let's see how much it could pull back in a day or two, and then more probably could go higher also. All right, over here shows the weakness, folks, okay? The MACD is showing weakness, but you never know, you filling up the gas. That's the reason, folks. I'm a little bit caution here because of the event coming in. Event has a no control over, folks. Good news could be good news, bad news could be bad news. What I like about is I saw PayPal. So PayPal has some solid resistance all the way coming right here. 2022, that resistance market broke, pull back, and there's a caveat going on. So look like PayPal looking great to me. So PayPal breaks this $65 range right here, right? That could be a retest and bounce, and that could be a great on PayPal earning also coming in, right? So keep that thing in mind for PayPal. I like that too. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, same thing. Bitcoin, let me look into Bitcoin on a daily chart, folks, just a second. So Bitcoin MACD in a bad territory, so I'm not gonna go super long on Bitcoin because we are retesting $40,000 zone on the Bitcoin. MACD in a bad territory, so most likely we might have a supply rejection here at around this area. So if Bitcoin bounce, be careful. We are below the cloud, retesting. We might rejection 43, 44, and we could go lower most likely. Okay, so that's what I think, because Bitcoin has a bearish now. Let's take a look at the gold now. Gold has a bull flag setup right there, continuation, but the MACD is entering into bad territory. So gold looking good as long as this trend line doesn't break, then is going to looking bullish. If this breaks upward, we're gonna go higher and test the $22,076. At this point, we are compressing in the middle of the cloud, folks. So either direction it could go still, but the problem is most likely MACD in a bad territory, folks. Okay, so I do not expect gold to be crazy, and the cloud conditions are sideways. So what does it mean? Market wants to validate this price right now. Gold wants to stay in this range. There is no dump, there is no pump in between this range, $100 range right here. They want to spend some time. That's what I can see here. Okay, so gold has nothing crazy right now until, so this is the bull flag setup. If it bull flag setup, maybe could break upward, but just this area validating, nothing going on here, folks. Okay, now I'm gonna take a look at the QQQQ. So as you can see, QQQ, you know, overextended over here, but QQQ, look, they still MACD daily chart looking nice and bullish. You see that? Nice and bullish, no weakness at all. Yeah, QQQ, no weakness. But if the market little pull back, right, QQQ, you know, overbought territory, then probably create a diversion if that happens. So because of the channel. So if you look at the channel right here, resistance right there. So I don't see any crazy weakness yet, no diversion yet on a daily charts. But if I look at the 4-hour charts, absolutely I see that. You see that diversion, but so maybe QQQ filling up the gas. All right, so if they want to pull back, QQQ healthy pullback is around this area right here, around $413. So it's just like QQQ going up, down, this channel. So slowly filling up the gas and bounce from the cloud and go higher, something like that. Because right now sellers are not lined up, folks. If seller lines up, then we will figure it out. Because every time, if you look at the market at the time when you are trading market 1 minute chart, folks, the moment market pulls back in afternoon or noons, anything, it always buyer lines up and take it, pull it up, right? That's what it's been doing. Any pullback is a healthy pullback. That's what is happening. So buyer lining up. That's what I've been noticing lately. So that is the reason I don't see seller lined up. So if sellers are not lined up, I'm not gonna go and short the market, folks. If anything I see that, I will announce. I will feel it. I will let you know. But I think market wants to wait for this week, as you all know that market is right now FOMC meeting coming in, plus all the mega cap earning. They also wanted to see what this all company has to bring the result. All right, so other than that, folks, nothing much. We just market is still looking bullish. Just keep that thing in mind. Healthy pullback could happen. That is part of the game cycles, as we already discussed, right? That's what you need to keep it in mind. And those who are new to the community, folks, please join the WhatsApp group we have. If you want to join this, join. And also we are every day live here on YouTube. I go and share my screen, trades, alerts, right? All the videos, alerts, everything I submit here, folks, on WhatsApp group also. And we have a YouTube channel, Top Trading Edge. Join, folks, and don't forget to click the like button also. And this is the live. And I also post market update video. If you click on video, you're gonna see all the videos. If you click on live, that's where I go live morning 9:30 to 7 hours a day, right here. And if you want to join the community, folks, don't forget the class, which is today is the last day, and tomorrow price changes to 750. So if you want to take this class, we already did the class yesterday. You can request for recording. Class recorded is 350. From tomorrow it will be 750. We will how to play FOMC meeting, where market moves, 0 DTE, fast and furious. That's the class. All right, folks. So if you want to join, no problem. Let me know. You can scan the code and you can join, or you can request. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, folks, right here, you can scan the WhatsApp group and you can join. That is scan the code with your camera. And folks, another deal right here. This Christmas deal is going 2020 best deal is going away. This is going away in 3 days, folks, right? From 31st January is the last day for this package. Remember, that's $1,750 discount you are getting. That Christmas deal 2020 going away. So please, you go ahead and enroll for it before it goes away, folks. All right, so see you guys tomorrow morning 9:30. Thank you.